BullX Trading Bot tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, let's talk about and show you guys the BullX bot. So when you first visit bullx.io over here, you could log in or start using their feature by clicking on Connect Telegram. By doing this, you will be redirected to another page and simply click on Open Telegram Desktop. So over here, you will be able to see now we have our BullX bot over here. So simply click on Log In and click on Open, which will then now allow you to utilize our BullX trading features over here or all the features of BullX. So simply give it a few moments over here to open. And there we go. You will now be able to utilize BullX. And you could also navigate through BullX bot over here if you prefer. You could get some help or just learn some information on how to use BullX. But mainly, you could utilize BullX in their website that will be provided for you when you first connect with your Telegram account. So that's basically how you will be able to utilize BullX bot. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.